Hey there, fridge owners. If you're dealing with the pesky SY EF error on your Kenmore fridge from 2025, you're in the right place. This error code usually points to issues like a faulty evaporator fan, sensor problems, or even a simple glitch in the system. Don't panic. I'll guide you through easy fixes that could save you a service call and get your fridge chilling again in no time. First things first, safety is key. Make sure to unplug your fridge before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Unplug the fridge and leave it off for about 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches causing the SY EF error. While it's unplugged, take a moment to check the back of the fridge for any dust or debris buildup around the vents or coils. Use a soft brush or vacuum to gently clean these areas, as blockages can trigger sensor errors. Next, Step 2. Once plugged back in, listen for any unusual noises from the evaporator fan, usually located at the back of the freezer compartment. If it's not spinning or making grinding sounds, that might be the culprit. You'll need to access the fan. Carefully remove the panel if you're comfortable, but if not, it's time to call a pro. Step 3. Run a diagnostic test. On most 2025 Kenmore models, you can do this by pressing and holding the refrigerator's temperature button for about 10 seconds until the display changes. This might reset the error code directly. If the error persists, Step 4 involves checking the fridge's defrost system. Ensure the defrost timer is functioning. You might need a multimeter for this, so if you're not handy with tools, consult a technician. Remember, these fridges have advanced sensors, so regular maintenance like cleaning the condenser coils every 6 months can prevent future issues. There you have it, straightforward steps to banish that SY EF error. If you follow these, your Kenmore fridge should be back to keeping your food fresh in no time. If you're still stuck, hit the comments below or check the description for more resources. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home repair tips. See you next time.